Welcome to the GS1 Australia online training tutorials. Online training in a flash. GS1 LocateNet directory search. A comprehensive search for more meaningful results. GS1 LocateNet enables users to perform searches across all GLN records from all registered companies. To perform this type of search, navigate to the directory search link on the menu. GS1 LocateNet offers a comprehensive search engine that enables you to filter your search for more meaningful results. You can specify some or all of the search criteria. To obtain a full listing of all GLNs in the system, click on Search without specifying any criteria. The search results will load below the search menu. By clicking on any of the GLNs in the search results, you can view its general details, the functions assigned to the GLN, the contacts for this location, and the physical location on an interactive map. You may download the search results to your computer by selecting all or individual records and clicking on Download. You can choose to save the file to your computer or open in Microsoft Excel. If saving the file, we recommend deleting any previous versions on your computer. Each GLN record is represented by a row on the table, and each column is an attribute of the GLN record. If you require further assistance, please contact GS1 LocateNet support on 1300 366 033.